Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install a car bomb script into our FiveM server. With this script, we can plant bomb in the car and we can explode the car whenever we want. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Now click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into a FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, open the client.lua, and over here you can see the keybind to plant the bomb, which is H, or you can use the command to plant the bomb, which is place car bomb. Now scroll down over here. Over here you can see the command to detonate the bomb, which is G, or you can use the command to detonate the bomb, which is detonate car bombs. Now open the server.lua. Over here you can see the item of the bomb, which is weapon_sticky bomb. Now copy the name of the script. Open the server.cfg. Now ensure your script over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn a car over here. Okay, we spawn a Taurus over here. Now let's plant the sticky bomb over here. So let's give ourselves the sticky bomb. Now we have to take out the sticky bomb in our hand. Now press H to plant the bomb. As you can see over here. Now let's go far from here. Now let's detonate the bomb. For that, we just need to press G. As you can see over here, the car got exploded over here, as you can see. So this is how the script works. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.